Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on a+students.com. You have to log in. The password is provided by the scroll down to grade 10. Start the lesson. Introduction to surface area and volume. Surface example. What is the surface area of the cube? Right? So the each face of cube is a square. You need to find is area of that is find the area of one face, that is 5 times 5. Area would be side times side, that is 20. Now the surface area of the cube, that is 150 square yards. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the volume? You have to calculate the volume of the prism. With you have to find the volume of the cube, right? So how do we find the volume of the cube? The volume of the cube is V equals side times side. So one of the sides 20 times 4, 8,000 is. So the cube is 8,000. The correct option is 8,000. Got it? Option number 1 is the option. Is the volume. So again, the volume is side times side. That is not prism. You have to do side times side times side. So the sides you are given is 7 times 3 times 15. So the correct option is 315 cubic feet. Option number B. correct option. The volume of the cube is side times side, right? So you have to do 11 times 12 times 15. So the correct option is 1980 cubic. Yes, that is 1980 cubic centimeter. You simply have to multiply, right? 11 times 12 times 15. So that is 1980. What is the surface area? So you are given the cube, you have to calculate the surface area of the cube. So it has total six faces, right? And each face is square. So the square has dimensions 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Let's just calculate the area of the one face. That is 3 times 3. The correct option is 9. Now the surface, now the faces. So you need to multiply the area of one face times 6 because they all have exactly same measurements. You have to do 9 times 6 equals 54. So option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Yes, the correct option is 54. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? What's wrong with the still on the same question? Okay, you can complete the by yourself. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is surface area of prisms and cylinders. Let's just start with it. So, what is the surface area of this cylinder? You are in a cylinder. You have to find out this formula. For you need to calculate the area of first. You need to calculate the area of top and bottom, right? Bottom are exactly same. You have to calculate the ones that is pi r squared. The values that is 235 to 235.34. That is the same area of the bottom, right? Now you had to calculate the area of the circumference of the circle, that is equals 2 pi r. Then you have to calculate the area of side, that is c times h. Then you have to add all the values, the area of bottom and area of side, that is the area of the cylinder. Let's just start with the test questions. You have to multiply, that is the surface area. So you need to calculate the area of all the faces, right? So have you can see this opposite side have the one below you can't see have the same dimension. So let's just calculate the area of this face. So this is 9 and this is 6. So 9 times 6 is 54. You have the same face on the other side, that area 54, right? So now calculate the area of this face, that is 2 and 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. You have the same side or here. Now calculate area of this face. So that would be 9 feet and 2 feet. So 9 times 2 is 18. Now you just have to add all the area. The correct option is 168. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 168. So when we have to calculate the area surface of any shape, calculate the areas of their each face and then you have to add. What is the surface area? So you have to calculate the surface area of the triangular prism. So again, you have to do the same thing. You need to calculate the area of every face and then you have to add them. So start with this face, right? On the other side, you have the same face. So this side has the dimensions 10, 10. So that is 10 times 10 equals 1. The other side you have exactly the same area. Okay, now calculate the area of the triangular shape, right? So the area of the triangles are half times base times height. So that is half. Base is 12 and height is 8. So times 8 is 96 divided by 2 is mm, that is 48. So the area of the triangular face is 48. On the other side, you have the same face. Now calculate the area of the base. So the area of the base is this is 10 and this is 12. That is 10 times 12. That is 120, right? That is, let me just add all the areas. They are 100 plus 100 plus 48 plus 48 plus 120. So the correct option is 416. The surface area is 416. Got it? Okay, so the correct option is 416. Is the surface area. So which is the correct option? That is a cube. Calculate the area of one face and then multiply it by the 6 because all the faces have exactly same area. So you have to do. Yes, the correct option is 6 because the cube has 6 faces and each face has the area 1 times 1 is 1. So you have to multiply it by the 6. The correct option is 6. So you have to calculate the area of every face, right? So start with this face. This face has the dimensions 7 and 5. So Area of this wave is 35 and base, right? Now calculate the area of the base, this one and this one. 10 times 5 is 50. So here you have 50. Now which phase we are left with? This one, this one, this and this, I think. Yes, 10 times 7, 70 and 70. So let's just add all the values, right? So you just have to add all these areas, right? Let me just use the calculator. The correct option is 310. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is the next lesson is surface area of pyramids and cones. The surface area of the triangular pyramid. You are given a triangle. You have to calculate the surface area. So again, you have to do the same thing. You need to calculate the area of their faces one by one, and then you can see here this side, right? They have the same side. So 7 times 8 this side, right? Triangular prism. So that means three sides like this. And so for this one, half times 7 times 8, that is 28, and opposite side also same. Then you have this side, the one that has the height 8, so on the other side, so that is 28. You just have to add all these areas, so the areas are 105.35. So be very careful when working on the triangular pyramids, because you have to be more clear about the faces, right? Because for this one, the base is also triangular, right? You can see here, this is the triangular base, right? Questions? Okay. What is the surface area of the triangular prism? Okay. Starting with this face, right? Calculate the area, that is half times base times height. So base is 2, height is 3. 2 and 2 cancel out, your left is right. So these are two areas for the triangle. Okay, now this one also has the same dimensions. So you have 3 and 3. 3, you have only one, like three sides. Now calculate the area of the base. The base is 2 and 1.7. So half times 2 times 1 point. So that is 1. That is 20.5. You just have to add all these areas. So the correct option is 20.5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Oh, 10.7 it is, right? Okay. The next one is, what is the surface area of the cone? So how do we calculate the surface area of the cone? Let's just start with the question. Okay. You have to calculate the area of the circular face, right? The area of the circular face is mm, pi r square. That is pi is 3.14. The radius, the diameter 4, the radius is 2 square, right? So that would be 2 square times 2 square is 4, 4 times 3.14. The correct option is 12.56. Now calculate the of the calculate the area of the slant height, right? That would be pi r s. Pi r s. Pi is 3.14 times r is 2 and s 3.14 times 2 times 4, that is 25.12. 12 plus 12.56, that is 37.68. So option number 1 is the option. Got it? The correct option is option number 1. So that is 37.68 is the correct option. What is the surface area of the rectangular prism? Now you have the rectangular prism, the base is a rectangle, right? So when the base is a rectangle, you have calculate the area of this triangular face. that is half times base times height 90. 1 divided by 2 is 40.5. So for the other you have same 40.5, 40.5 and 40 times rectangle. So the of the rectangle is length time width 81. So just add all these areas, right? That is 40.5 plus 40.5 plus 40.5 plus 40.5 and plus 81. So the correct option is 243. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 243. So the correct option is 310. Okay. Oh, sorry, that's the new question. I just forgot. The correct option is 300. Option number 1 is the correct, 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, what is the surface area of the rectangular pyramid? So again, the base angle, calculate the area of the triangular faces times height. So that is the base is 5, 6, the height is 6, 36 divided by 2 is 18. So for the rest, the area of base, the base is a square, so 6 times 6 is 36. So just add that is mm, 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 36. That is 108. The correct option is 108. Option number 2 is correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by your day. So we were working. The chapter we're working on is surface area and volume. The lessons we have covered today are surface area and volume, surface area of prisms and cylinders, and surface area of pyramids and cones. So please sure before the next session you can complete practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor. You can click on this live chat button and they are available to help you, right? You don't have to go to Skype now. The system is updated. You simply have to click on the live chat button. For help, you can ask question. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions? Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.